Hello friend, my name is Sagar Kapadia. Today I will teach how to create a dynamic component in Figma. So first of all, we take a one rectangle and giving some border, removing the fill, and here we will put one search box, this type of search box with one radius, and here we can write search by name. Okay, and we can group this two layer search box. Here we can put it on the center. So this is the search box, this is our BG, and next we will create a one check box. We can write the name item 1, group this, and again group. So we can duplicate this by using Alt and Shift and create all the items, this type of. So we can align using distribute vertical spacing and all the things. So these are our list. We will group this all the layer and make it this layer as a our component. This is our component by creating component. Okay, and after that we need to make this auto layout. Auto layout by vertical. Okay, so by vertical you can see this one is a search box and then is the item. When I remove this search box, this list will automatically go to this area. So first of all we will show why it will not come by default. So we are creating the instance by using alter key. So this is the instance of this component. When we click on this, if we want to remove this search box, then what happen? This type of happen. Okay, so now what we need to make, we need to click this search box component. Here there is a one layer property. When you click on this create a boolean property, here we need to write the show search or not. So by default we are putting the true, and after clicking on the create property, it will create one property about that so search. When we click on this instance, when we disable this so search, you can see it will dynamically adjust. Got my point? But here is a this line is shrinking to the all the item, and we don't want this. So what we need to do, we click on this my component, and here we can do some fixed width. Okay, height is a flexible. So after that you can see when you click on this show search, it will show. Okay, when click on this remove this, then it will automatically shrink to the upper level. So this is the very good advantage of a Figma. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.